So the reason why we are identifying the angel of the Lord uniquely is that he is referred to as the angel of the Lord, not an angel of the Lord. The text uses God's proper name every time. What is it? Yahweh. Whenever you see the word Lord in all caps in the Old Testament, it's Yahweh, God's proper name. It means the self-existent one. Third, the people to whom the angel of the Lord appeared often recognized him as God. It's fascinating to see how they respond to him. When Abraham saw the three men coming toward him from out of nowhere in the desert, and then he fell on his face in front of one and called him Yahweh. Now, how he could tell is not obvious, but he could, and they could always tell when they were talking with the angel of the Lord. So the text usually merges these two identities, that is, angel of the Lord with God. And the text attributes divine qualities to him. Interestingly, this form of the angel of the Lord does not occur in the New Testament. Rather, all similar references say an angel of the Lord, such as in our text. Except in one verse, in Matthew 1, where he appears to Joseph as an angel of the Lord. And then he says that Joseph did as the angel of the Lord commanded him. But it does not fit the other four criteria. Verse 9 of our text says that an angel of the Lord appeared to the shepherds. So I'm calling him a normal angel. He had to be a normal angel. If the angel of the Lord in the Old Testament is Christ, or might possibly be Christ, this angel could not be that. Why? Because the Christ had just been born in the form of this small child. You get the logic? You know I like logic, right?